I'm on my way to the National Revolutionary Martyrs Shrine here in Taipei. Public transportation is incredibly convenient and everything works with the Easy Card. Just outside the window is a Grand Hotel, one of Taipei's most iconic landmarks. From here, it's a short walk to the Martyrs Shrine, a sprawling complex dedicated to honoring the 390 Taiwanese soldiers who sacrificed their lives in various conflicts. The grand entrance features bright green roof tiles, white walls, and bold red accents. The shrine was built in 1969. The design is inspired by Beijing's Hall of Supreme Harmony in the Forbidden City. And here they are, the elite honor guards of Taiwan's Army, Navy, and Air Force. As I walk into the courtyard, the scale of this place becomes clear. The central temple sits in the back of the compound, framed by symmetrical walkways and traditional palace-style buildings. On the right, you'll notice another beautiful structure, green roof tiles, white walls, and bright red pillars. Every building here reflects classic Chinese imperial design. Even though it's hot, the shaded walkway and trees make it surprisingly comfortable. And here's something interesting. A round pavilion with white gates and staircase leading up. Inside is a statue of Lu Hao-dong, a revolutionary martyr considered one of the earliest heroes of Taiwan's independence movement. A quick close-up of the decorated roof, golden circular flowers and layered green tiles, symbolic of protection and good fortune. Now I'm approaching the main building in the back. A stone lion guards the entrance, holding a ball that represents power and wisdom. The central doorway is decorated with stunning gold murals, intricate rich designs, and vibrant red pillars. Everything is symmetrical, grand, and ceremonial. Is a main shrine where the memorial tablets of fallen heroes are kept. The honor guard stands here 365 days a year, performing one of the most disciplined ceremonies in Taiwan. Following the walkway, you can see more red pillars, carved golden emblems, and decorative art panels. The entire complex wraps around in a complete 360-degree loop. Inside this hall are portraits and names of some of the martyrs displayed behind glass, along with wooden memorial boards. This area documents the individuals who helped shape Taiwan's modern history. Continuing outside, I pass by more statues honoring figures such as Lin Huan Min and others who contributed to the national reform and resistance movements. The roof structures are truly impressive. Green tile, upturned eaves, and red beams. And here's a quick shot of me. This shrine is truly one of Taipei's most impressive historical sites. I'm circling the remaining side of the complex now to get a full 360-degree experience of the entire shrine. Back at the front of the main hall, the guards remain completely still. Visitors can watch, but no one is allowed inside the hall itself. This is the centerpiece of the shrine. A team of marching soldiers is approaching for the ceremonial changing of the guard. This happens every hour and is one of the most iconic military performances in Taiwan. find this ceremony from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Guards rotate with choreographed marches that's famous for its precision, weapon spinning, and synchronized steps. The outgoing guards finally break their frozen stance as the incoming soldiers take their place. Commands are delivered subtly, and every step is choreographed. The new guards assume their position at the entrance, preparing to stand perfectly still for the next hour. The remaining soldiers march back with the same precision they arrived with, completing the ceremony. I'm heading back towards the entrance now, grateful to have witnessed the ceremony up close. Thanks for joining me on this visit to Taiwan's National Martyrs Shrine. If you enjoyed learning about culture, architecture, and local traditions, subscribe for more exploration around Taiwan and beyond.